Hello everyone, welcome to Minnie's Boutique, and today we are offering some discount offers for you. The discount is on night suits and it's half sleeve, and 25% off is there on every night suit. I will show you the MRP also and the discount and the price after discount also. So if you like any of them, do WhatsApp to us on our WhatsApp number. So I'm starting with the first article of XL size. This video I will show all XL size night suits, and the shipping will be extra, 60 rupees for single and 100 rupees for 2 night suits. So first article, this is the first article, and the length of the t-shirt is 28 inches. This is the t-shirt, and this is the printed lower with this, and the MRP is $7.99, and after discount it will be 600 plus shipping. Next article. Next article is in black color, black and blue combi. This is the t-shirt, and this is the bottom with this. See the print, very beautiful t-shirt. Length of this t-shirt is also 28 inches, 28 to 28.5 it is, and the price is same, 600 plus shipping. All these are XL night suits. Next article. This is the t-shirt with this printed bottom. Price is same, $7.99, and after discount it's 600 with plus shipping. Next article. See, this is next, pink with black. Very beautiful teddy print is there. This is the t-shirt with this black bottom, and the price is 600 plus shipping. MRP is $7.99. Size is XL. It's same. Next article, black with peach red. MRP is same, $7.99, and after discount it's 600 plus shipping. This is the t-shirt with this lower. See, this is the print on the lower. Smiley faces are there. Size is XL. Next article is very beautiful red and striped pants with this. See? This is the red color t-shirt with this grey color striped pants. Lower with this. MRP is same, and after discount 600 plus shipping. MRP is $7.99. Size is XL. Next is pink and checked lower with this. And this is the t-shirt with this blue checked bottom. MRP is $7.99. After discount is 600 plus shipping. Next brand is Saucia, 25% off on this also, and it's with long t-shirt with side slits and grey lower. This is the t-shirt and this is the grey bottom with this. Prices after discount is 600 plus shipping. Next article. Next article is this with long t-shirt and side slit, sizes XL. And this is the printed lower with this. And the MRP for this is 830 and after discount it's 625 plus shipping. Next article is also for 625 plus shipping. This is the poster, blue plus grey, and now it's original pieces here. This is the t-shirt with side slits, and this is the grey printed bottom with this. MRP is 830 and after discount it is 625 plus shipping. Shipping for single piece is 60 rupees and for 2 pieces it's 100 rupees all over India. Next article, MRP for this article is 749 and this is the t-shirt and with this plain bottom. Fabric of all night suit is very superior, so don't get in doubt for this. And the price after discount for this is, just a minute, 560 plus shipping. 560 plus shipping. There's no slit in the t-shirt. Next also MRP is 749 and this is the look. And this is the original piece for this. This is the t-shirt with this mauve color lower. It's plain lower with pockets on both sides, and the price after lace is 560 plus shipping. Next article, and this is the t-shirt with this peach color lower, and the price is 560. Shipping is extra. Next article, this is the t-shirt look with this blue color lower. Price is same, 560 plus shipping. Sizes are XL. Next is the Capri night suit, red color. This is the t-shirt with this printed Capri. This is the print for the Capri. Size is XL and MRP for this is 674 and after less it will be 500 plus shipping. Only 2 pieces are available in Capri. Next is this. This is the grey color t-shirt with yellow color bottom. Price is 500 plus shipping. Next is the 3-piece set, shorts, t-shirt and Capri is there, and MRP for this is 945. this is the t-shirt, and this is the printed star capri, and this is the same print for shorts also, and after less it will be for rupees 700 plus shipping. Next are the night suits available in collar and bands, and the price for this is 1099 and 25% off is there on that also. I will tell you the price after discount. Just a minute. First article MRP is 1099 and after discount it will be 825 plus shipping. And this is the print. Same print on t-shirt, and on the lower it's same printed in collars. Sizes XL. Next article is in band. MRP is same, 1099 for this. This is peach color, very beautiful in band. See, this is the print, and after discount it's for 825 plus shipping. Next also it's in band, blue color. This is the print, and it's in band, and the price is 1099 and after less it's 825 plus shipping. Same print of lower also. Very beautiful thread weaving is done on the with the buttons. Next also same 1099 MRP. This is all premium range in Sweet Touch, and this is the print. See, in collars. Prices same, 825 plus shipping. Next article is this skin color, beige color it is in collars. I think picture is very clear to all of you. And now showing you the original pic for this, and this is the original piece in collars. MRP is 949 and after less it will be 700 plus shipping, and this is the bottom with the same print. Next is the pink color. See, this is the print. This is the original pic for this. Price is 700 plus shipping. And the last article in XL, black color. See, this is the piece. Size is XL and the price after discount is 700 plus shipping. So this was all in XL size, and if you like any of them, do WhatsApp to us. So till then, wait for the next video.